Hello. So, because this is completely new, I asked. I'm gonna show you what I see for the ChatGPT agent. I have ChatGPT Pro, and I got my version this morning. Well, today when I checked, I have it. And so these are different use cases. So you can use it as your task assistant and going through to review your calendar, marketing, and so on. But I saw one here that would be the easiest because I've had questions from moms looking for AI tutors to be able to adapt content to the students, give feedback, and adjust the difficulty and track progress. So I'm gonna cheat here and say, let's see, it does some more. So across these, the benefits line saving time. They're not meant to replace people, and basically be responsible. So let's see, create an agent to help me with education and tutoring for an eighth grader. Now, what's interesting is I have been able to create a chatbot. So let's see what this says. So it's going to different sites. So coming up with courses. So it does take a minute. So it's building the agent. So I would say like this would take 2 to 3 minutes to do. Oh, well, it's saying for 53 seconds. It seems longer. Okay, so a guide for designing the agent, best practices, and so on. Identify the core subjects. So this is what it covers. Do the learning objectives. Outline the agent's core functions with reminders and so on. Build the knowledge base. Choose and configure the AI models. Build the interactive features. Then you integrate it. So I guess I would have to take a look at this at the school year calendar, test and integrate, provide support and oversight. By following these steps, you can create an educational agent that offers personalized tutoring, practice, and so on. Such an agent can enhance engagement. So what I'm going to do is, so how do I get started? So you choose your approach and platform, the purpose, gather the content, and it gave me a lot of content to gather. So you're gonna need patience. But this is great though. Deploy and monitor. By following these steps, you'll get your tutoring agent. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go away and create it, and then come back and demo. But basically, I thought, okay, naively, I thought that I would give it the task and the steps, and magically it'll come up with everything. But obviously not. You have to put the work in, especially if you want, I guess, something as detailed as providing a tutoring system for your child. So I will put the steps in place, document the steps I took, and get back to you.